So I want to add here 3 plan. Let's say we have basic plan, we have standard, and then we have premium. So to do this, let me just add a div or maybe section. Inside the section, I will add 3 div, one for basic plan. Okay. The second one is for standard, and the third one is for premium. So inside the div, I will use a header tag that is h2. Here I will say basic plan. Basic plan. Here I will add also a paragraph to add short description. Under the paragraph, I mean the description, we will add a button so that people can add as their plan, right? So we add a button here and we'll say that start or what can I say, sign up, right? Let's copy them and paste in other divs also, right? And here I will say standard, and then premium. So I want to show them side by side. So I will use flex here. So let me just select this section. Let's say I want to show them as this flex. So inside the head section, I will say style, and inside style, I will say section display should be flex. And if I go to the browser and refresh it, now you can see we are showing it side by side, right? Now I'll add, what can I say? Okay, let me just show this, flex actually for the div. Okay. So, no. Okay, section, yes. And maybe I can say here, justify content center, right? If I go to the browser and okay. So, and I want to add padding. No, I just don't want to add padding here. Just let as it is. And now I will do CSS for the div. Here, let's say I want to change the color and everything. So I will say here div, and I want to change the color. So background, and that should be RGBA. So I will go to the browser, and here and this side you can pick RGBA color. So let's say we want to add this color, right? This color. So let me just copy it and go to the editor, and I will paste it here. So this is the red, blue, green, and then this is for blue, and this is for alpha, I mean the opacity. Okay. So here let me just go to the browser and refresh it, and now you can see we have added color here. And let's say I want to add some padding here, and the padding should be padding. What is happening? Padding, what? Padding, yes, padding should be 20 pixel, let's say. And now go to the browser, refresh it, and now here you can see, okay, I want to add actually border, yes. So let's say I want to add border, 2 pixel. I want to add 2 pixel solid, and here you can see. But should I use border? I don't know. Okay, okay, I want to add I don't want to add border actually. I want to add box shadow. So here I want to add box shadow, and I will say 10 pixel, 10 pixel. Okay, I want to add 2 pixel here, and then 2 pixel, and then 10, and then 12. So now go to the browser and refresh it, and here you can see the, okay, I have added actually more than enough. So okay, let me just change it later, and I will add margin here at first. Margin, actually I want to give margin, let's say 200 pixel, maybe, I don't know. refresh. So yes, this is the I want to actually add 20 pixel only, not that much. Okay, so yes, and height should be mm, auto, right? Okay, now I want to change what can I say, border shadow. So let's just add 2 pixel here and 2 pixel here also. If I refresh it, then you can see I have added. Actually we want to add more, right? Mm. Yeah. Okay, okay, that's enough for a div. We don't need it actually. Yes, and now we'll do CSS for H2P and button. Now let's work with our button. So to change the button uh, color and everything, we have to access it from here. So our button type is button, and inside button I will say background color should be RGBA. And if I refresh it, let's change it. The button should be green, right? Yeah, this one. Copy it and just paste it here. And let's say I want uh, let's say I want to add padding for 20 pixel. And if I go to the browser and refresh it here, you can see we have increased the size of the button. So let's make button clickable. So we want to add anchor link in button. So to do this, let me just go to the every button here. And if I go to the next one, this is the button and this is the button. And now I will add here anchor tag, this side, this side, and here we close it. And here we'll save href nothing hashtag. And let me just copy this href. We have to paste it here. Okay, right. Now if I go to the browser, refresh it, and now this is clickable, right? We should remove this underline, and we need to change the font color also, I mean text color. So let's change it. So as it is anchor tag, so we have to say here, what is it? Okay, so I have to say here a text decoration, text uh, decoration none, and color should be let's say, okay, I want to change the color from here to, yes, I want to use this color, so this one. And that's it. Let's see how it's look like. Refresh. Okay, so now let's add hover effect on it. So we'll copy button here and we'll add hover effect. So let me just zoom, and here I will say button hover, 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 and then it will pop up. So we'll add an attribute called transform, and here we'll add scale for 1.1. And if I go to the browser and refresh, and you can see it's pop up, right? Okay, now I want to change also the color also. So to do this, let me just change the background color here. And I will say background color should be more deep, right? Yes, here I'll paste it here. Go to the browser and refresh it. Now see color has been changed, and we should change the text also, text color. So I want to change the color also when we hover. So I have to add hover effect on A also. So let's just say here hover. I will say color white. Now refresh it, and if I click on it, then you can see when I click on, I mean when I um, hover the button, it actually pop up, but when I hover the link, it the link text color actually changed, right? Okay. So this is how you can create a pricing table. Okay, we should add here some price option, right? So let me just add it, because as it is pricing table, so I need to add a price tag also. So to add price, let's say I want to show here a button that is header 3 maybe, or header 2. Let's say just how it's look. uh Price, let's say 0. And for the second one, price should be, for the standard one, we want to add we have made a mistake here. In standard we should write here sign up, right? Yes, sign up actually. Okay, and here I will say H3 price, and here I will say 10 USD, let's say, for example. And here uh, we'll say 100 USD, just for an example. Okay, so here you can see, so this is how you can create a price table. I think this shadow, we shouldn't use this shadow, right? And this gap, so let me just remove it. Actually you can play with CSS, so you just have to learn CSS in depth. So that's it. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.